Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, officials, ministers, listeners, I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Today, now and here, very crucial and important to listen, to share, to like, comment, subscribe. But the most important is to think how our food is important for improving our health. What are the tips to secure, to protect prominent health? Health is important at every age. Life has become so fast-paced and there is not enough time in day to fulfill our everything we wish to do. People are busy at home and work with many responsibilities and commitments. They may feel problems related to physical, mental and emotional stress. Therefore, everyone should be careful to acquire proper guidelines for good health and to escape from tremendous problems. Regulate exercise, daily morning walk, it improves digestion, breathing, rate of heartbeat, blood pressure, muscular strength, etc. Sufficient rest and sleep. An accepted statement conveys early means timely to bed, early to rise, makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. Maintain healthy body weight. Generally, the positive recommendations are 0.99 to 1.01 kilogram per inch of body length. Prevention of smoking, alcohol, drugs, meat and intoxicants. Obstruction of injuries, infection, communicable and chronic disease means due to bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. Take clean water and pollution-free air. Use sunlight during situations of low atmospheric temperature. It also supplements with vitamins D and prevents certain skin and blood disorders. Use vaccination, especially for young ones, for prevention of polio, smallpox, chickenpox, MMP, pneumonia, etc. Avoid pollution of air, water, noise, soil and radiations. Try to stay in green environment with adequate housing, safe communities and pathways. Emergency response in situations of accidents and severe health attack. Everyone should be aware of contact with ambulance, general hospital and eminent doctors of the locality for immediate medical checkup and treatment. Early, eat only when you are hungry and not every time you are offered delightful products. Take sufficient breakfast like a king, lunch as a prince and the dinner like a poor person. Fatness avoids fitness. Obesity increases risk for life. The lifespan may decrease at least by 3 years. Obesity confirms untimely Worst effects as 3 diseases, disability and death due to diabetes, high blood pressure, coronary disease, sleep apnea, osteoarthritis, infertility, etc. There are about 20 million persons affected with obesity in India. The factors of disease are not eliminated but are transmitted to next generation. However, the adverse effects can be reduced. According to an eminent physician, do not take Epifizz, Mentos with Coke or Pepsi. Do not drink tea in plastic cup or eat food on polythene paper because these promote cancer. Do not use phone with very low battery. Health is what you eat and so also what you think with positivity. Balanced diet helps in maintaining healthy food weight, provides sufficient energy, regulates good sleep, and eventually gives a feeling of well-being. The macronutrients comprise proteins, complex carbohydrates, and lipids. The micronutrients should include sufficient quantity of multiple vitamins, essential amino acids, and minerals. The proteins can be taken up to 35% through whole grains, pulses, beans, peanuts, coconut, milk, green vegetables, and fruits. Least concentration should be on non-vegetarian meals. Major sources of carbohydrates are brown rice, wheat, oat, millets, potatoes, sweet fruits, etc. More lipids should be taken from edible oils with unsaturated fatty acids to protect heart and improve immune system. Replace processed and packed dry fruit. Fresh green vegetables and fruits provide the essentials of multiple vitamins and minerals. Try to reduce the consumption of white sugar. Remove salt from your table and do not take more than 5 grams per day because the vegetables and fruits are capable at fruit to fulfill its requirements. It is better to prepare a diet chart for every week, especially during conditions of sickness, pregnancy of ladies, persons busy in sports, people suffering with low or high body weight, and elderly age. Special dietitians and doctors can be helpful. Take food according to the calories requirement per day. It is health that is really wealth. It is health that is real wealth for human race and not the ornaments of gold or silver. The notion wealth is health may become valid during sickness, poverty, evasion, injustice, and old age. Wealth is sometimes important for healthy environment. Persons may seek help through health insurance, NGO, social and religious organizations for proper food, medicines or treatment. 7 best natural doctors in the world are sunlight, rest, exercise, contentment, self-confidence, proper diet, and friends. Maintain them in all stages of life and enjoy healthy life. We should rejoice kind growing longevity which can add years to life so as to ensure that elderly age becomes peaceful, enriching and productive. Fortunately, the process of aging is determined through our righteous behavior, physical activities, sound nutrition, avoiding evil thoughts and wicked actions. Health is the greatest gift, contentment, the earnest wealth, and faithfulness, the best relationship. When an individual is able